Hey y'all, Miss Brown here, your 7th grade AVID teacher. Whoop, whoop. If you're one of my 8th grade science babies, you're watching the wrong video. So y'all, I'm in my back room because my amazing focus class is in class and I wanted to see y'all without my mask. So I'm in my back room so I don't have my usual tape. I don't have my usual beautiful scenery, so I apologize. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go to week 4. And you click on week 4. So I have not done a video for Tuesday, Wednesday, or today. So I'm going to do a threefer. So I'm going to do all 3 of my videos here today. So I'll make sure that my title says Tuesday the 8th, Wednesday the 9th, and Thursday the 10th. So here's what we did. The module overview, if y'all click on that. Remember, y'all, this is for my 4th and 5th period. My 7th period is always one day ahead. So you can watch the same video. It's the same stuff. Y'all are just one day ahead. So Monday we didn't have school. On Tuesday, we did a gym kit where we did like a who am I and 3 truths and a lie. My 7th period did that on Friday. Then on Wednesday or yesterday, we did a 3-2-1 about the face-to-face protocols back at HMS. And then today we annotated and text coded our AVID contract, signing our way to college, y'all. Yes. And then tomorrow, team building. Yes. Okay, so hit next. Okay, so here is the Tuesday meetup, and it just kind of gives you an overview, has the essential question, how will school look like from now on, and then our little warm-up. So feel free to do those warm-ups with somebody at home, with a friend, FaceTime somebody. Okay, so on Tuesday we did a gym kit, 2 truths and a lie, and who am I? So we did 2 types of questions, who am I, and you took a photo, and then which is a lie with your name, and then the correct answer was the lie, and then the 3 incorrects were 3 truths. So if you didn't get this done, no worries. There's not really a way for you to do it. So it was just kind of a fun activity for us to get back on our first face-to-face day. So Wednesday meetup, and don't forget, y'all, you have to hit next on this slide to bring you to Wednesday. So Wednesday, same essential question. And then I wanted to know how your day went in 3 words. That's the bell for end of 6. So we're starting focus. So 3 words, my my face-to-face people, I had them put it on a Post-it, and my remote learners, I had them type it in the chat. And there were a lot of positive words. I was very impressed and very surprised. So my remote learners on Wednesday did a Flipgrid. Since y'all aren't back to school, there was no reason for you to watch the face-to-face slideshow. So instead, I wanted y'all to do a Flipgrid, and it's going to connect you to Miss Richards' Flipgrid, which is fine because I can access them. And you're going to answer these questions. Number 1, if you were a teacher right now, how would you still create an AVID family feeling, even though we have some people remote learning and some people face-to-face? So give us some ideas, y'all. You have better ideas than we do. We're old and we're tired. So give us some good ideas. What do y'all think we should do? And then number 2, if you were a teacher right now, what kind of activities would you do in your classroom? And then number 3, what do you really need from me? Or what do you need from Miss Richards to make sure that you're feeling supported as an at-home learner? Because y'all aren't here with us. So I'm hoping that me doing these videos is one means of support for you because you get to kind of see what we're doing if you're unable to access the WebEx or if you need to kind of check back again later. So you'll hit join with Google, and y'all should really only have to do this like 1 time, and it should let you do it. And then you do your GCISD account, because remember we have our Flipgrid set up, so it doesn't take anything that's not GCISD. Sorry, y'all, I told you, whenever I film, my face gets itchy. It's like the weirdest thing. I don't know why. And then here we go. And then it pops you into the school 2020, and I wrote the prompts there again for y'all, and then you record a response. So 20 of your peers have already done that, which is awesome. Okay, hit next. So my face-to-face learners, what we did, hit next again, is like I said, we went through this PowerPoint, and then y'all did a 3-2-1. So I put the 3-2-1 first so that way you knew what to do. One of my other classes, I think, had them swapped. So you're going to tell me 3 facts you learned about new classroom procedures, 2 questions or comments you still have, and then 1 suggestion for us all to feel like an AVID family. So the remote learners did this, so I wanted y'all to have an input as well. If you were in class, I had you do it on paper, because why not? So that you see a lot of I did it in class. But my remote learners should do this as a discussion question. And then if you hit next, this is the resource that you're going to use in order to do your 3-2-1. So the wonderful Miss Laney made this new school protocol PowerPoint. It has 17 slides. So you're just going to kind of flip through the slides and do your 3-2-1. So 3 things you learned, 2 questions or concerns, and then 1 thing that we can all do to make it feel like we're together. And that was Wednesday, September 9th. So then today for Thursday, September 10th, remember you have to hit next on the slide. So we talked about what school's going to look like from now on, continued to do that, and our check-in was which number are you? And I can see y'all if I can find it quick. I had one of my students, I pulled hers. I had y'all create these what number am I? And I had y'all think of a theme and fill out 4 or 5 boxes for what number you are. Yeah, y'all. No, I can't find it. Sorry. No worries. So it was a picture that had like 4 or 5 dogs on it, and it asked which dog you were. Okay. Awesome. So now moving on to what we did for today. So we signed our AVID contract, y'all. I know we can't have like a face-to-face party like we have in the past, which kind of stinks. So we did it virtually. So what I want y'all to do is watch this quick 30-second video and then use the Vimeo app to comment twice on the video. You can comment about stuff that interests you or shocks you, stuff you can relate to, and or stuff that you can connect to the world. So 2 comments total. And you're going to watch this video once it loads and make comments. And this is a video from our HMS people. So I'll play it for y'all now so you can hear. And all these little bubbles are where people stopped and commented.
The way I felt when I first signed my AVID contract, I felt overwhelmed. And then it was like, I just signed my way to college. And then I looked.
So I love that it kind of projects the comments as you're going, which is a really cool feature though. So when they pop up is when people made comments.
My mom, and I saw my mom in tears, and I'm like, don't cry.
Whenever I signed my AVID contract, I felt really happy because I'm just basically signing my way to college.
And I want to be this person. And so AVID pushes me towards my goal.
Yes, I love that. So like I said, y'all, each of these is a comment. So I think I can click on it. I thought it was cool. Yeah, so I don't want to put that, y'all, because it has people's names. But yes, you get the gist. Okay, awesome. So after you watch that quick 30-second video, then what y'all did was you accessed your AVID contract digitally, and you did some text coding. So you highlighted in yellow things that you're confident you can complete, so things that you know you can do. Then in green, things you need help with, and then in blue, questions you still have. So for example, and I am going to walk y'all through this because you do need to do this. So this is like a 2 for lesson. I wanted y'all to get used to using Cami, and I wanted you to see the AVID contract. So you go to this markup button. Yours might not say markup, but it has this same kind of pencil on a paper. And then you go to yellow. And then I'm going to highlight in yellow things that I feel confident about completing. So I know I can have a 2.0 GPA. That's something I know I can do. But in green, things I need help with, a 3-ring binder. I struggle, let's say, with making and keeping a 3-ring binder. So I'm going to highlight that in green. And then in blue, things that are unclear to you. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to pick blue. Maybe I don't know what enrollment in a 4-year college means. So I'm going to highlight that because I don't know what that means. Now, it is not just one of each. Your whole entire first page, which is all about students, and second page, which is all about parents, should be marked up. Because everything is either something you're confident about, or something you'll need support with, or something that's unclear to you. So pretty much every word on this should be highlighted either yellow, either blue, or either green. And then you're going to do the same thing with the parent contract. You're going to highlight in yellow things that you are confident your parents or guardians will be able to do. So for example, no way. That's not us, y'all. So for example, let's say that your parents are really good at keeping in contact with your teachers. So partnering with an AVID elected teacher, you know your parents are great at that. But let's say your parents don't usually check your binder. So that might be something that they could do. And then you can also do blue, anything that you're confused about on here. So like, let's say you're new to AVID and you don't know what a tutorial request form is. You can highlight that in blue. So like I said, y'all, you should have every kind of inch of this either yellow, blue, or green. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your drawing tool and you're gonna go down into the student, so page 1, you are gonna sign your name the best you can with the drawing tool. So there's my name, not bad, okay? Then you are gonna save it, we'll leave it right here, and then you're gonna go home, go through it with your folks, and then your folks are going to sign their name right here, and then good to go. Next, y'all, right up here, you are gonna hit this save or submit button. Mine looks different because I'm a teacher. Yours has this same exact, it's called a hard drive. Y'all don't know what it is because you're too young, but it says submit next to it. So you click submit and then a white box will pop up with a blue button that says submit, you submit it again. Then you are gonna download this document so you have a copy to turn in the next spot. So you're gonna hit this little download button, and even underneath, see how it says download. I'm gonna download with the annotations because I want to see your signatures, I wanna see your highlights. So I'm gonna begin export. Then it's going to export or it's going to download it. So export the annotations, here it is. Let me move my evil twin. Cami has your name, AVID student, contract, rock on, hit save. Then what you're gonna do is you are going to hit the next button and you are going to submit the document you just downloaded into the Canvas assignment. So y'all's will say submit in a blue button right up here, you'll hit submit, and then notice how it says a URL or file upload. So you should be submitting a file upload, so when you hit submit, you will go to your desktop and you'll pull the thing that you just downloaded and you'll submit that. And y'all, here are your AVID family. So we have some 8th graders, and then 8th graders, and then some of y'all from 6th grade, now 7th graders, which is pretty cool. And that's it, y'all. So that's what we did Tuesday, September 8th, Wednesday, September 9th, and Thursday, September 10th. I will probably not do a video tomorrow because it's a team building day. So team building days, we usually just do kind of fun stuff. And if you're not able to attend, there's not really anything that you can do about it after the fact. So if you, from now on, you don't see Friday videos, that's why. And if for some reason we do something on Friday, like a Socratic seminar or something that y'all need to know, then in that case, I will record a video. So that's it, y'all. Love each and every one of you. You fill my buckets each and every day, overflowing. Bye, y'all. Avida Zen. Namaste. Saichen. Adios.